Hi there! What is your hike carry? I ask this because some accidents can happen while you are hiking. For example, me, I cut myself while I was cleaning the bush earlier. So what is your hike carry? Do you have with you medical kit? I have a medical kit here, and we have lots of water here, so I can just wash my wound, and then I can apply the antiseptic for first aid. Wait. There, I wash my small cut. Maybe I could use this, but this is white, so I won't. It's white colored. And of course my alcohol sprayer. Just for first aid. And then I have all the time some stuff for cleaning wounds, dressing wounds, something like this. So there, I can now apply it or cover my finger with it. There. There. Accidents happen when you are off grid or you are outdoors. So that's important to remember. Also important to remember for me, because you really could get cut, etc., or get hurt or get bruised. In my case, I got cut by a twig while I was cutting the vegetation. There was a series of storms last year, late last year, and it sort of felled most of the trees and the branches, so the hike trails are quite obstructed, so you really have to use your bolo. So here, my brother, my bolo, carry it when I hike. So there, what's your hike carry? Me, I carry my EDC. I've shown you earlier how important it is. This is my EDC pouch, and I also carry my full-length bolo when I hike, and of course my walking stick. Water, it depends. There's water all over the place, so I don't really need to bring that much water, but still I have some water, potable water. This mountain is so full of water. There. And I also bring with me some tactical stuff, a flashlight. You know very well what's in my EDC pouch. Something for grooming, etc. Something for wounds. I have showed you earlier. And of course my face mask. And yeah, my medical pouch, if ever. I will need this again later. My notebook, I carry it so that I could write notes and memoir. Of course my air pistol, just in case I'm in the mood for target shooting. This is just an air pistol. You see, the slot is really quite small, So there, just an air pistol. I think nice to carry with you. Very, very light. Yeah, there. It's a good thing I have with me my EDC all the time. I was easily able to fix the problem. When I get home, gonna clean this up a little bit more, perhaps apply iodine. For first aid, I simply use my alcohol sprayer as antiseptic. Good thing it didn't hit the tip of my fingers, my left fingers, because I'm a guitarist. So for now, I won't be playing guitar for a while, I guess, because of course it will hurt a little when I play guitar. So be careful with your hiking. Now the question is, what are the other things you can do while you are doing solo hike? You have no one to talk to. If you're going to stay overnight, of course you can camp. But this is just a day hike. We're gonna go back to base. We're gonna go back to base after this. But while here, I still have time. One good thing is to meditate. One good thing is to meditate. Shout out to Jojo Villarreal, my outdoors enthusiast expert friend. He's the one who taught me how to meditate out here in the wilderness. He taught me the so-called passive meditation. Because in passive meditation, you just listen to the forest, listen to the sounds of nature, and you try to feel nature, and then let nature be your teacher. You let nature be your teacher, so that you could attune your energy to the energy of the cosmos. It's easier to do that when you are in the wilderness. And meditate on just the sounds and the feeling you get when you are outdoors, you are out here. So that's passive meditation, something you can do. There, now let's listen to the forest, the body of water. Let's try to feel. You're not here, but you can imagine that you are here with me. Try to feel the air, the cold air. There. All of the anxiety in you, they're all coming out and being absorbed by nature. As you attune yourself to the sounds and sensations being given you by Mother Nature. Look at me, I just got wounded, but I'm calm and happy and okay. Because I have my EDC and I have nature, the power of nature. I have my energy attuned to the power of nature, or to the energy of nature. There. Thanks for joining me. See you next time. Join me again next time. Also watch my other videos, particularly my videos on EDC, bugging out, etc., and all the tools that you would like to carry with you. Post in the comment below, what do you carry during hikes? And do you also meditate when you are outdoors, when you are hiking, especially for solo hikers out there? Now, got to go. It's getting a little bit late. Remember, the pen is mightier than the sword. But the pen is mightier with the sword. Jason here for the Agbayon channel and TMS Talks. Thank you.